What's up, everybody? It's Merman Mike. Got my beautiful girlfriend Natasha out here with me.
Hello!
Not only is it a gorgeous day out today, but they finally opened up the state parks again. So we're back out here at one of our favorite spots. We're on the American River, but where we are right now, there's a couple bridges, there's a lot of cliff jumping spots like the one in front of us. We're actually gonna go search under this one, but it looks like there are a ton of people on top of there, so I'm not trying to ruin all their fun and not let them jump. So I'll go over here and we're gonna go search some other spots. But I'm extremely excited. If you guys have never been to my channel before, what I like to do is I go down to the local lakes and rivers, I try to return valuables back to their owners, and I also try to make sure I get all the trash while I'm down there. I thoroughly believe you can't just go for the treasure, you have to get the trash too. But yeah, hopefully we can find something really cool today, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Always helps me get out here, make more videos, and get that much more trash out of the rivers. I shall go find it. All right, everybody. It looks beautiful down there. Let's go check it out. What is that? Nice, babe. I think it's like a speaker box. Good job. Found a little cap too. Whoa. Oh, seriously. Oh, it looks like a breathalyzer.
It super is. It's alco sensor.
Oh my god.
Meters. You found a breathalyzer. That's a first. If I could get that bottle out, that would be cool, but I can't reach it. And then if you go around here, there's a beer box.
Where's the
Box.
birdie? Corona box.
Of course, it's the Corona. No more voodoo dolls. No more voodoo dolls. This is where we found the voodoo doll last time. I think I already see metal.
Right. Oh, it's like a band for material. Alright, everybody. Let's go find out what's out there. Oh. Oh, that's whoa. No! No! Oh my God! Wow! What is this? Where are you? Oh hey, found some pretty cool stuff. Want to meet me over there? Oh my god. Okay, so I thought I had some cool stuff before I was gonna go over there. Then I went to go over there and I thought I saw like a can tab or something.
Gimme.
Oh my god. I literally thought it was like a can tab or something.
Oh my god, that's a real diamond.
Oh my first diamond ring. I'm so excited right now.
That is awesome.
I just saw this little shimmer and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go grab that really quick, and bam! Whatever this is. Alright, let's keep going. Where is gold? Oh no! literally the best dive I've ever had. I'm gonna wait until I get to the boat to show you the thing that I just found down there. But I also found a snake, and I saved a crawdad that was caught, because the snake was caught up in a net, and the crawdad was caught up in the same, but the crawdad was still alive, the snake wasn't. All right, come get me, I'm cold. Or I'm just shaking from excitement, I'm not really sure yet.
So, I was down there under the bridge. Check this out.
Your first, like, real gun.
I'm 100% positive. I have to check to see if there's one in the chamber. Yeah. Yeah, there's the serial number right there. So they didn't do a very good job if they were trying to dispose of it like that.
So, first thing we need to do, all right. All right, everybody, just got done with our dive out here at the American River, and it was an absolutely insane day. And I say insane in the best way possible. Every time I keep thinking these dives can't get better, and I just keep getting more and more surprised. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Got my beautiful girlfriend, Juan. Got 3 fishing rods today, or at least half of 3 fishing rods. Found this weird pipe looking thing. I think this goes to a fishing rod holder. I have no idea what that is, but it was super smooth and symmetrical, so I brought it up with me. I've got 2 magnets today. How crazy is that? They're both double-sided magnets too. One was tied to a rope and got snagged in between some rocks, and this one was just laying there on the ground, so I think that one didn't have a good knot on it or just got dropped over the edge. Got a breathalyzer. That was a pretty funny find. Got some crazy looking like square nuts and bolts and whatnot. Got a battery, a washer. Found a mask and snorkel. That was pretty sweet. I have no idea what this is. It's Storage USA. If you guys know what that is, please let me know in the comments. Got a bouncy ball. Got a golf ball. Found some sunglasses. Got the Sawzall blade. I have no idea what this is. Found that down there. Once again, if you guys know, please let me. I thought this was like a toilet brush scrubber or something when I first pulled it up, but it's all metal, so I don't think that's what that is. If you guys know, please let me know in the comments below. Natasha found that. It was a little speaker. I thought that was too cool. She saw that from the top of the boat. I got this little butter knife. Thought it was pretty cool looking. It's all bent up and whatnot. Found a can of what I think is Spam or something. It's handlebars to a bike. Found 3 phones today. I was super excited. I don't see any that are recognizable, like name brands or anything, so that means they're probably burners or something like that. However, I am gonna go through them. I'll try to get the SD card out if they do have any, and I'll try to find the owner that way. A lot of the times people forget to back up their pictures online, or they just run out of storage space, so I always try to make sure to go out of my way, even if the phone doesn't work, to get that SD card back to the owner. Got a paddle, bunch of miscellaneous little weights and hooks and whatnot. Got a vape, a full pair of shoes. This is pretty cool. I usually find either the left or the right shoe, but I never find both at once, so I thought that was pretty funny. The last 2 items, I can't decide which one is the find of the day. We did find another one that was a little bit X-rated. I won't have that in the outro, but that was pretty funny and interesting to come across down there. But yeah, check this out. Bam. My first pistol. It says model MP25, Cal 25 Auto, made in USA. So I'm obviously gonna call the cops. I'm gonna make sure this gets to them, because I never wanna keep something I'm not supposed to. I'm never trying to do something bad out here, always trying to help out, and hopefully this can either get back to the owner or maybe get somebody closure if it was used in a crime. The second biggest find of the day. You guys ready for this? I thought I was going down for one of those soda can tabs or whatever they are, and check this out. Oh, how cool is that? It's my first diamond ring I've ever found. I found 2 rings so far. One was in some weird bag full of rocks at the bottom of the lake, and the other was, what was it? It was just on a rock that I saw by eye, and it was a titanium one. But this is my 3rd ring, and it actually has diamonds in it, so I thought that was too crazy. I'm gonna see if there's a way if I can get it back to an owner. I'm not positive if I can, but I'm gonna try. And the other thing is, just got all the trash we came across today. It's a good trash day. It's really important, you guys. You never just go for the treasure, you always go for the trash too. If you guys are liking these videos, please remember to like, share, subscribe. It greatly helps me get out here, make more videos, get more crazy finds, and hopefully find even more valuables to return to their owners. So, from me and Natasha, everyone,
Bye.
take care. I found a gun while diving in the river today under the Rainbow Bridge. I have a YouTube channel where I try to go return valuables back to their owner and clean up the trash. And today I happened to find a gun. All right, everybody. Cool. The trash is supposed to go. Till next time, everybody. Take care.